She's a diva. She's the baby I wanna be. They say she loves now. Such a robot, unbeliever. They say she is slow now. The baddest thing around town. She's nothing like a girl you haven't seen before. Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood house. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. I can't take no more. I just love what I'm doing so I can pull her close. I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. A sexy bitch, a sexy bitch, a sexy bitch. That girl, the sexy bitch, a sexy bitch, the sexy bitch. That girl.